everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I'm in my sewing room, but as you can see, or may not see, I don't have a sewing machine in front of me. Usually my sewing machine is here. I either have my mechanical Juki machine or my computerized Juki machine or my little baby brother machine, a little computerized, very inexpensive machine. I bought a new sewing machine and let me tell you why. We had just gone to the quilt show and as I was saying to you, there were tons and tons of vendors selling machines. Not as many fabric vendors, notion vendors, but tons of sewing machines. I don't need another sewing machine. However, I was looking at a Bernina, dreaming about a Bernina, a fairly expensive machine that I knew I had no right or business trying to justify that, because as I said, I do have machines that do the job that I'm asking them to do. But what happened was I came away thinking about that Bernina. I have spent at a quilt show about maybe 12 years ago. I did buy an expensive quilt show price though, a Brother VQ3000 Dreamweaver machine, which, as you know, when I started my YouTube channel, that is the machine that I was using, and it's a large, big, heavy, beautiful quilting machine, sewing machine, computerized. The long story short on that is I sewed and sewed and sewed the majority of the 500 quilts I've made on that machine, and it did 28 million, no joke, 28 million stitches until finally the motherboard, Maxwell, until finally the motherboard gave out, and it looks brand new. Here's Maxwell. Come in, Maxwell. Maxwell, come in. Just say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
I'm going to need Maxwell in a moment. So go away. I'm going to need you in a moment. Okay. Bye-bye, darling. So I did justify paying that much, but I couldn't in this economy and the fact that I don't really need a new machine. But I did buy one, and I did some research, and you may be surprised at what I purchased online from an online advert in California. I purchased a Jazz 2, a baby lock. Jazz 2. They were having a deal on it. You may have seen it on Instagram, and I did quite a lot of my my research, and oh, here comes Maxwell. Thank you, darling. All right, here's my sewing machine. So Maxwell, thank you, darling. Let me put my oh no, here we go. So I bought this machine, I don't know why. I'll tell you how much it cost. It was $800 all in, with a $300 bonus, walking feet, all sorts of different things. It was almost exactly $800, okay? 800 American dollars, which is not a it's a good deal of money, but it's not a high-end machine. The machine I was looking at was over $4,000, and as you know, machines can go up to $20,000. It's ridiculous. But the reason I purchased this machine was one reason. My Juki, which is an awesome machine, my mechanical Juki, my TL 2200 QVP Mini, is just a straight stitch machine, as you know. My Juki computerized machine has all the different decorative stitches. I do the blanket stitch and the zigzag stitch and a satin stitch and all sorts of things like that. Well, this machine is a mechanical machine, which I like, but it has only 27, doesn't have like the 10 million stitches, which you never use. It has 27 decorative stitches as well as a straight stitch. And it has a very large throat from needle to the inside of the machine. I believe it's 12 inches. So my Juki is a good workhorse, my mechanical Juki. My other machine is great for decorative stitching and doing. This is supposed to be like a quilting machine. Now the only thing is, it doesn't come with the extension table, but I have like 4 other extension tables. Maybe one will work. So Maxwell is here. Let me put the camera up. Put it up so you can see me, or actually pull it away. Pull it away, the whole tripod, so we can see. And then pull that thing up. That's it. So we can see what we're doing. Maxwell is here. We are going to be unboxing this machine, this Jazz, this baby lock.
I'm going to use this opening tool because I
careful. Oh, careful. Oh, mate.
Then.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, but that knife. Flipping heck. Okay, go on. So the thing is, I have read so many things on a baby lock Jazz 2 forum, and it says before you do not open with sharp instrument. Here's a knife, careful, handle with care. Notice heavy. You said it wasn't heavy. It's supposed to be a 27. But you're in the way of the. You're in the way of the thing. Do not open with sharp. How is she supposed to open a box without a sharp? But that's a very sharp knife. The thing they say.
No, it's not. It's actually a dull knife.
Okay. The thing they say. All of the forums I have gone to about this machine, you get really great reviews and then terrible reviews. Seriously. And most of it has to do, 99% of it has to do
user error
or tension issues. Actually, the threading of this machine. Again, this is a Jazz 2. I'm going to make this probably do a couple of boxings. Oh, wow. But the first thing everybody says is, because it's a little finicky with the threading, read the manual, which, there it is. Thank you, Maxwell. Which I actually have been sewing for over 60 years. I've never read a manual in my life. And that's the problem. That is the problem that a lot of people say. Open it up and read the manual. Oh, what's that, hon?
Some sort of case thing.
That's a cover. So here, oh, okay. Register your machine. Oh, okay, so that baby lock. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a case. And here's the Jazz 2 instruction and reference guide. This was $800 all in. Oh, it has a knee lifter, which if it's in a good place, my Juki had a knee lifter, but because I'm fat, my thighs are fat, I kept hitting the knee lifter, and it would open up the presser foot. I'll see if this is in a better place. Ooh, careful. So we really wanted to show you this with Maxwell's help from out of the box. I'll probably be doing another review of it sewing. Don't want this to go on too long.
Maybe we should flip this.
What happened?
Hold on.
Oh, careful. Okay, sorry.
Are you gonna let me do my job?
Sorry. You're broken. Okay, hold on. Give it to me. This is heavy. You're saying it's not heavy. Oh, mate, careful. Are you supposed to do that? It's upside down now, Maxwell.
I know that.
Do we want it upside down? Let me help you.
Now.
Lift it up.
You're helping, but not really helping.
I'm helping. Be quiet.
Ish.
Oh, that horrible noise. Stop. Oh, what a lovely. Oh, that's a nice box. Oh, that's a nice box. Are you sure this is upright? People can't see. You're doing it. Look, it's going all foggy. Sorry. So I hope Does it say this side up? Now, how would a little old lady do this?
PP.
I'm a little old lady. How would I do this? Right here. There's one here. There's one here. Oh, that's a really nice box. You're blocking.
How else am I supposed to open it?
Okay. This is not real professional. We should be working on our professionality. Or our professional.
I am not a professional in this.
Professionalism. Is that it? Okay. Okay. Da-na-na-na. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, no, it's sideways. Oh, man, that's a big machine. Oh, wow. That's my pressure. That's my foot. That's my cord. Wow. This is a big machine. Wow. Okay, so why don't we put it this way?
I'll take it out.
Okay, you take it out. Wow. It's a massive machine.
I don't trust that handle. I don't.
Don't you?
Nope, I don't trust that handle. That is a very
okay. Well,
handle.
You heard it from Maxwell. He's a big guy. He doesn't trust the handle. So little old lady quilters, don't pick it up by the handle. But this machine weighs 27 pounds. I did read that. This is 27 pounds. Let me bring this around. Oh wow. Well, folks. This is a very simple looking machine. Now, does this lift up? This lifts up.
This is the selector.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this is what I've seen. I have looked at this machine online. I've looked at all sorts of reviews on it, how you work it, how it...
My job here is done.
Thank you, darling. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. All right. So this is my new machine. As you can see...
Well,
I don't have a...
Where's your old machine so we can do a size comparison?
It's in the other room. Get me my juki to show it. Yeah, good guy. So, Maxwell's gonna go get the juki. This is a huge machine. But look at this, from here to there. That's the whole point of why I got this for such an inexpensive amount of money. Because it has a very long throat here. Did you get it?
Yeah, just making room.
Careful, honey. Thank you, darling. So I'm going to be trying to I'm going to be trying to thread it, that's the hardest part. Oh, here's my juki. Oh, and I thought my juki was a big heavy machine. Look at that.
It's a smaller machine, yet the handle's a lot more sturdier.
But this is plastic. This is all metal. This is plastic. It has a fairly decent thing here. This obviously comes off to make it a free arm. It does, you can purchase, which was a little bit of a rip, for $149, another, an extension table, which I sort of need. Now I'm wondering, can you pull this off? I'm wondering if any of my other extension tables would fit that. I wonder. Just get my juki one. I think it's a little bit too wide. But I have my brother one downstairs. Look, it's almost perfect, except, let me just hone in on this. Look, so I'm wondering if Daddy can just slice that off.
I wouldn't.
Well, look, it's...
I know, but this is...
No, you can adjust these feet up and down. So if he just could shave off a little bit of this plexiglass.
I would say just spend the money on the official one.
Do you have the money?
Hey, I'll split it with you if you split something with me.
Oh! Maxwell, babe. You think money grows on trees? Table, because 4 of my tables do not fit. Man, never mind. But anyway, what I'm going to do before I even touch the machine, I am going to read my Jazz 2 instruction and reference guide, and I'll let you know how I get on, folks. All right. Thank you, Maxwell Bay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.